Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shivakant Pathak here available with you to see a topic that is work done in isothermal process. In thermodynamics, isothermal process implies that during the process temperature T remains constant. Here to calculate the work done, see what are the conditions are here adopted. Here in this working substance, in which piston and cylinder, both his piston and cylinder is made up of perfectly conducting walls. Right? And 1 mole of gas is filled in the perfectly cylinder and the piston walls. Means the system can take heat from surroundings and can reject the heat to the surrounding. Right? In the beginning, the thermodynamical coordinates are pressure P1, volume V1 and temperature T. The thermodynamical coordinates are this. Now, situations are maintained in such a way that the system absorbs heat from the surrounding, pressure acts on this and its volume is increases. Volume increases from V1 to V2 and pressure decreases from P1 to P2. Volume increases and pressure decreases from P1 to P2. So here we are knowing that if volume increases, pressure decreases and temperature is constant, it means at this condition Boyle's law hold in this case. Right? If Boyle's law hold in this case, then in the beginning we may write P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. It is one form of Boyle's law. This is the mathematical form. Right? Here when it's changes, it is represented by this graph here. See, it is pressure, volume. Volume increases from V1 to V2. In that condition, pressure decreases from P1 to P2. So here in this. So see here one more thing. If pressure upward, pressure acts due to absorption of heat from the surrounding, so force is act. So force act on piston. Here this force acting on this is equal to pressure into area of a piston. We are knowing this formula, right? Force act on piston. It is now if it moves from P1 to P point, अगर delta x distance it travel, piston moves, volume increases from V1 to V2. So in that condition the work is done. This work done in this case is given by dW is equal to force into displacement. See here in the diagram, displacement is given by, when it's moved, it is dx. Right? Volume changes from V1 to V2 here in the system due to the absorption of heat in such a way that it remains, temperature remains constant throughout. Right? So here at point A to B, if it's moved, here thermodynamical coordinates are P1, V1 and temperature T. Here also P2, V2, but temperature is T. Throughout, temperature remains constant. So this process takes place very slowly in such a way that whatever heat absorbs used to increase the volume. So work is done is equal to force into displacement dx. But we know that force is given by pressure into area in a 2dx. See this part. See in the diagram once more. It is the area. Area piston. So area into dx, increase in volume. Pressure into delta U. Right? So this delta we can written by D because work is here represented by dW. So this equation can be written as here. If system changes from A to B, see this is A to B. Here in the diagram, the volume changes from V1 to V2, that is A to B. Then net work done. Work done W can be written as integral dW is equal to integral PdV from V1 to V2. Right? So it can be written as next equation number 4. But when we use equation 1, that is Boyle's law hold in that case, that is equation, ideal gas equation PV. First up we are going to see, take ideal gas equation. It is PV is equal to RT. This implies that pressure can be replaced by RT by V. So above equation 4 can be written as W is equal to integral V1 to V2. See here in this, P can be replaced by RT by V dV, or it can be written as RT dV by V, dV by V, this is V only, from V1 to V2. We are knowing that integral of 1 by V dV is, see it is 1 by V dV in this case is RT log V at the base of exponential from V1 to V2, or by putting this value we may write W is equal to RT log at the base of exponential V2 by V1. So work done is this. Or at base of 10, this work done can be written as 2.303 RT log. In place of 10, when you will replace the base of exponential from base of logarithm from exponential to 10 base, we used to multiply 2.303 V2 by V1, right? This is the second equation of work done here. We may use this equation or this equation, but we know that here Boyle's law hold. Boyle's law hold, that is P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. This implies that V2 upon V1 is equal to P1 by P2. So work done can be written as 2.303 RT log at the base 10 P1 by P2 also. So work done can be calculated either by using this formula or this formula. So this is for today. Thank you and have a nice day.